work-life balance for you? You know, how, if here in Southwest Florida, what are you looking for? Benefits? How important is that to you? What do you like to do outside of work? Are you physically active? Not cool. I like to Netflix and chill too, but I also like to go to the gym. So it's cool. I do ask a series of questions to make sure that I get to know the candidate. Whenever we're talking to different clients, what are you looking for in a candidate? What are some, you know, red flags for you that you've learned that you don't like? What are your core values? I live and breathe and die by core values for companies. I fully believe that the core values are there for a reason. Somebody in your company created them, so why not live and or hire and fire by those as well? So.
Is that what you wanted to hear as somebody looking to hire somebody?
I mean, yeah.
So, I mean, the short version of that is you want to know if they vetted them on a personal level, not just a business level, right?
Correct.
Did I get that right?
Absolutely, yes.
So that's important. So I don't know, when you give your pitch, and it looks like you need two pitches, one for the candidate and one for the business owner, right? Okay. So as part of your pitch to the business owner, that right there told you that, hey, maybe they wanted to know how much we know about them personally.
Perfect.
Right? Is that worth anything to you?
It's worth a lot.
Okay.
Did I get it? Is that what
Okay.
I got it.
Okay. So there you have something to start from with there. Now on the other one, I don't know what's your pitch to someone who is a candidate. Why you and not some other company? What do you offer the candidate?
Great question.
Okay.
How many years have you been in business?
We've been in business since 2015.
Okay. And I don't mean to put you on the spot. I mean, if you don't have it, what that's telling you is,
I'm thinking about it. I don't
right.
have it.
So you know right off
But
the bat, you need two different.
I know what I can tell people. However, I don't have it as a compacted, nice, beautiful elevator.
Well, that's the thing that says that. That's the thing that says, oh, really? What can you do for me? Or tell me about how that works. All right. Give her a hand, everybody. Was that valuable to you? Kelly, was that valuable to you?
Absolutely.
Okay. I still want a realtor. You're not going to run away from me yet.
It's not that bad, guys. I promise. Okay.
Who's a realtor? Raise your hand.
For you.
Who's a pick one. Yeah, you know them. I don't.
Let's do Justin. We haven't heard from him in a few years.
Few years.
Well, I've known Justin for years.
Come on up here, Justin. It's okay.
Sorry, Justin.
How dare you? That's it. You're not friends anymore. So, what do you do, Justin?
I help buyers and sellers find the right property or sell their property by asking the correct questions and seeing what is the most important thing for them during that process.
Well, doesn't every realtor do that?
Absolutely not.
No? Okay.
Wait, doesn't every realtor say they do that?
We're trying to,
That's what I meant. Doesn't every realtor say they do that?
we're trying to create an environment where they're truly getting what they need rather than me just making money.
Okay. Who wants to buy real estate from them right now? No. You're friends. You can't do that. Was anybody convinced enough to say, yeah, I think I might want to work with that guy? Okay. Keep going.
So through the advertising side on the listing, I'm a tech savvy person, and so we have an older demographic here. We can traditionally run circles around them from the resources that we have from a tech standpoint, whether that's from a selling standpoint of getting your property out there to not only a lot of people but to the correct people, as well as with buyers. Like right now with the inventory being low, you really got to get to the properties before they even need to hit the MLS. And so, having the tools and the networking and the resources to get those houses and people is where we kind of strike.
Okay. Did anybody get lost in that? I did. Okay. All right. So the point is to condense it down. Okay. What kind of people do you typically work with? Buyers, sellers. What's your?
Mostly sellers, and I usually work in the retirement type person, specifically in gated golf course communities.
Okay. So why wouldn't you say that to us?
I'm willing to work with me.
Okay. All right. Okay. Autumn. Stand up, hon. Well, yeah, come on up here. Autumn's a client of mine. She's in real estate as well. Go ahead and give us one of yours, Autumn.
Hi, my name is Autumn Lozelle, and I am a real estate sales and marketing professional. I do not work with sellers who toy with the idea of selling their home. I work with homeowners who have to and need to sell because I get the job done. We're entering an interesting time in our market right now. My connections and resources allow me to have the most accurate information in today's market. And if you're interested in learning more about a particular neighborhood or market, I'd love to inform you and bring my resources to bear. Thank you.
Very good. You can sit down now. Thank you very much. How'd you like that one?